What's up guys, welcome back. It's another video. In this video, I will show you how to swap USDC to SUI in Phantom Wallet. Now, if you're looking for a way to start swapping USDC here to SUI, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you could try here. So, first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically enable the SUI network here. So, in your Phantom Wallet, you want to go and click on your profile icon at the top left, click on the gear icon at the top right, and you want to choose the option here that says Active Networks. Now, in here, you should see SUI, so you want to go and turn on that option here. Now, by the way, SUI is still in the beta phase as of this moment when this video was created, so it might not be complete or the network itself is not yet completed, so just keep that in mind. But in this case, once you've turned that on, you want to go ahead and go back here to the main UI for Phantom Wallet, and you could go and just click on the swap option at the very top here or at the very bottom center, so either way is good. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and specify a few things. Now, since we want to convert from USDC, let's go and choose the UPay section. And you want to go and choose whichever wallet you have right now. So, in this case, you could go and choose the Solana network if you want to convert your USDC from your Solana chain. Go ahead and choose that. So, for example, want to choose Solana here for USDC. You go and choose the receive section. And from here, you want to go ahead and basically choose the SUI network, since we want to receive SUI. Now, by the way, you may or may not see a wallet here. Again, currently it's still in on the beta phase, so you may or may not see it. But if you do see it, you can go and just select on it and basically indicate how much you want to send here, and just click on the swap button at the very bottom that you see here. But make sure to review a few things here, and also when you're swapping cross chain, the fees are going to be a lot higher, so you might only receive like half of it, and the minimum is around like $10, sometimes like even $20, again depending on the chain itself. But yeah, so in this case, you could go and just click on swap, and that should do it. But just in case this is not available to you, you can go and click on the compass icon at the bottom right of the screen, and just go to the site token URL section, type in or search for Portal. Now, this should open up Portal Bridge here, which is a platform for bridging swapping your tokens. So in this case, you go and click on select chain and token. You go and select whichever chain that you want to basically swap your USDC. So in my case, maybe for example ETH here, choose USDC. Now to the to section, you can go and select that and choose SUI here. SUI network, click on SUI. And from here, just specify the amount that you want to basically swap here, and just click on connect, and just choose Phantom Wallet and just approve a few things. But to be speaking, once you've connected your Phantom Wallet here, you should have the option to swap it in this section. Just make sure to review the details like network fees and all of those. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.